In this video, you will learn how to apply for Lazada PayLater using National ID. First, open the Lazada app. Launch the Lazada app and log in to your account. Go to Lazada PayLater. Navigate to the wallet section and select Lazada PayLater. Agree to the terms. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then the privacy policy. Enter OPT. Input the one-time password you sent to register your mobile number. Provide personal information. Make sure to fill out the application form with your personal details. Upload a valid ID. Take a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as your driving license, passport, or your ID number. Face verification. Capture a selfie for facial recognition to verify your identity. Submit application. Review all information and submit your application. Wait for approval. Approval usually takes a few minutes, up to 24 hours. You can check your application status in the wallet section. Now you know. Now you know how to apply for the Lazada PayLater using National ID. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.